Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kia Tatiana here, and today I'm going to be doing a very different hairstyle that I don't normally do. So right now I'm just taking out these braids, spraying it with my rice water, you know the drill, and I'm just trying to do something new with my hair. I'm so tired of the boring curls, so I'm using this leave-in conditioner, making sure my hair is all moisturized, and I'm going to try out this braid out that I've seen online. I've never did a braid out this way, and when I usually do braid outs, it's never to my scalp. It's always like box braid outs. So right now I'm just detangling, separating my hair apart, and then I'm going to spray down again because it dries up very fast. And I'm just gonna part my hair into these triangles and start braiding it. Now, I know a lot of people don't know how to braid that well on their scalp, and honestly, like, I used to practice on my dolls and stuff, so it's kind of hard braiding with nails, but it's a trick to it. It's really a trick to it. So right now I'm just braiding it on my scalp. It's probably not the tightest as you've ever seen, but it's gonna come out anyway, so it doesn't matter. So I actually forgot to apply this leave-in curling cream that is on sale for $6.99 on my website, link in the bio, and that's just to hold the curls for when I take it out. It's going to be in a nice formation, so I just apply that and then just keep on braiding. So now I'm just finishing up these braids. As you can see, I did it from the center of my scalp coming down, and I'm just gonna go to bed, put a satin wrap on, and I'll see you in the morning. So it's the next day, and I'm taking off this head wrap, and before I take out the braids, I'm gonna use a scalp serum, a hair serum by Jane Carter Solutions, which smells so good, and just apply it through my ends just so the ends will stay moisturized when it's out. As you can see, I'm rubbing the oil through the ends and through the top of my scalp and through the braids just to leave that shine, because the curling cream can leave your hair a little bit dry if you don't apply a nice sheen to it. And I love my curls to look voluminous and shiny, so my fingers through it either, because I don't want it to be frizzy. I just want it to be just natural. And the thing that I love about braid outs is that it leaves my hair so thick looking. Even though my hair is thick, it leaves it very voluminous, and I love that so much. So right now I'm just fluffing my roots out, getting the flat pieces up so my hair could be bigger. And I absolutely love baby hairs. If y'all couldn't tell already, sorry. If you couldn't tell already, I love baby hairs, especially with my natural hair. I always get asked if I have a frontal on. No, this is my hair. So I'm just gonna be playing around my baby hairs to my liking. Like, it's very distinct the way I like it. I don't like it being too much where it looks like extra, but I like it to look natural, follow my natural pattern. So I'm gonna be playing around with this for a minute before I actually like it. So now this is the ending look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can definitely try this. This is an easy peasy style for natural hair braid outs. And yeah, guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share and comment. I'll see you in my next video.